Let me go ahead and set it to manual focus. What is good, everybody? It's that one camera guy back at again with another video for you. This is going to be an unboxing and quick first look of the Tamron 28-75. But we're going to go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Hey, if you don't know me already, I go by that one camera guy. I do tutorials, guides, and reviews on Sony mirrorless equipment and gear. Make sure to hit that subscribe and that bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest content. So there you go, that was the unboxing for the 28-75, a very, very exciting lens that everyone is interested in knowing some more about because of its amazing price point at only $799, I think. As far as the way it's built, I think it's obviously plastic in its design. I would imagine to help keep the cost down. It's not metal, I don't think, in every place or something like that, but it doesn't feel overwhelmingly cheap. It doesn't feel like what you would pay for a kit lens, let's say, for example. It's like it's in between. So let's say you have your basic kit and then like the stuff in the middle, and then those are the high end. That's kind of where this falls in, kind of in the middle. So hopefully it holds up over time. Who knows? We don't know yet. This isn't the first lens that Tamron has released. They've actually released, I think, an 18-200 before for the E-mount, but I think this is kind of their first jump with the full frame sensor type lenses, and they really are pushing for creating lenses, hopefully, that kind of meet the weight and design that a mirrorless camera will like. This is an A9 that I have here. It pairs up really well, so if you have an A7 III, A7R III, the pairing is actually really good. It almost feels like the body is actually somewhat heavier than the actual lens itself, so you don't feel any front heaviness. It's just sort of balanced where you sort of need it. Let me go ahead and set it to manual focus. So there you go. It is capable of doing 20 frames per second. Let me go ahead and pop it on over and show you what it looks like on an A6000 for those of you that are shooting with APS-C. This might also make a really great companion to those of you who own an APS-C body. Now, when it's mounted onto here, yes, it looks a little bit ridiculous in size, but it isn't bad. It is not like you have it and you're saying, well, it's unwieldy. For me, having it on here, it is going to be a larger lens. That is for sure. That is without a doubt. However, you are going to get some decent reach, right? A 28 with a 1.5 magnification. I don't know what we're looking at, what, 40 to 40 or so, maybe a little more than that, man, I'm gonna mess up all the math here, to 100 or something, but you get some of that flexibility. Well, there you go. That's my first look at the Tamron 28-75. Sorry, there's not a whole lot of additional information going on with the combo right now. But I'll definitely use some tests, shoot with it a little bit, do some of my own video tests with the lens combination. And I'll try to do some comparisons with the 24-70. I've also got the kit lens, and I probably will make another video kind of discussing maybe which one you may want to consider based on your budget in terms of optical quality and overall performance. Folks, it's going to do it for me in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other content. And make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest content. And with that said, I'm your host, That One Camera Guy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
I left my heart in California. I let it go deep into the blue. I could be happy in California.